Welcome. If you've been looking for a way to enable translation for your Facebook page's cover photo using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you'll make your page accessible to a wider audience, helping viewers from around the world easily understand your message. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to your page settings. Next, head to the top of your Facebook homepage and click on your profile photo. This button is your gateway to managing your pages and profile details. Once your profile page loads, look for your pages. A list usually appears in a dedicated section. Select the page where you want to enable the translation option. Click on the page name, and you'll land directly on your page. Now, find your page cover photo at the very top. Click on your cover photo to bring it up in full view. This is where you'll access special options just for your page banner. Just beneath the cover photo, you'll see a row of icons and controls. Look for the three little dots. These represent the More Options menu. Click on the dots, and a small menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, simply choose Turn on Translation. With this feature enabled, visitors who view your page and cover photo in a different language will see a translation option right on the cover. Facebook will help translate any text displayed on your cover photo, breaking language barriers and making your page even more welcoming to new audiences. That's all you need to do. Enabling translation on your page cover photo is truly that easy with the newest Facebook update for PC. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and select the desired option. Opening up your page to a global audience has never been more straightforward. Try these steps out and watch how much easier it becomes for people everywhere to connect with your story and your brand.